Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make something sourish and tangy. You probably have guessed. I'm going to use some Assam here, tamarind. This is Assam puree. And I have a beautiful grouper fish head here, approximately 500-600 grams. And I'm going to make Assam fish. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredient. We have the fish here, a grouper fish head. Of course, you can use whole fish or your fish tail or cutlet, up to you. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen. Then we have a few pieces of big chili here, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 pieces of shallot. This dish is very simple. I'm going to steam the fish, make the chili paste, make the Assam broth, and combine all 3 together. First thing first, wash your fish thoroughly. Then we can actually marinate the fish with some salt. Put few pieces of ginger on top. And use your steamer of your choice and steam it for approximately about 10 minutes. So get ready your steamer here. Use medium-high heat, yeah? At least medium-high heat to steam it for about 10 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of your fish. Get ready a blender or grinder. Put in the chili, the garlic, and also the shallot. I'm going to put in a little bit of water to ease the blending process, not too much. And give it a little bit of salt. Close the lid, on the power. Right, enough. About 10 seconds, good enough. Okay, this kind of consistency. Get ready a small pan or wok. Give it some oil here, 2 to 3 tablespoons to start with. And we can actually put in the chili even before the oil gets heated up. So you want to use a medium or medium to low heat to slowly saute this chili paste for probably about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't use too high heat, because if you use too high heat, it may get chao da quite easily. Just now we added a little bit of salt. Now we can actually add a little bit of sugar if you want to. Just keep on stirring. We're using a non-stick wok or pan would be very helpful. You can still see some water here, so you want to really cook the water out, let it evaporate, and get the chili oil out from this, and make your chili paste a little bit crispy. And that's the tricky part, because if you go over crispy, it will be chao da, it will be burnt. Keep your eyes on the chili here. When the color started to change, that is the time it's almost there. You probably have to stop the heat and let it continue cooking using its residual heat. I like to give it a little bit of fish sauce. This is optional. And some sugar. If you find it too dry, feel free to give it a little bit more oil here. Right, this is after approximately 5 minutes under medium to medium low heat. Good enough. You don't want to make it chao da. Now I can off the heat and set it aside. Our chili paste is ready. This chili paste itself, even if you just put it on top of your rice, white rice, it will go very well. Very, very yummy. After the chili paste is ready, now we are going to make the Assam broth. Super simple. Give it 1 bowl of hot water. It doesn't even have to be a chicken stock, seriously. The original version is just plain water. And the soul to this particular dish is This one, any brand will do. This is the Assam Jawa, yeah? The tamarind paste or tamarind puree. And I like to use this kind of puree because it doesn't have any seeds inside. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons, which is going to be very, very sourish. And you want this flavor to be a little bit more balanced, so we are going to give it some salt. One small teaspoon of salt, and also some sugar. Just to give it a little bit more flavor, I'm going to add in some fish sauce. Our broth is done. See how simple it is. So once the fish is ready, I'm going to combine all 3 together. Of course, you can use the salt and also sugar and adjust to taste. The fish is ready. Oh, nice. Look at how beautiful it is. And we don't want all this fishy water, so we just want to take out the fish and move it onto a serving plate. So we have the steamed fish without the steamed fish water. That is very fishy. And this is the Assam broth that we just made. Pour it over. And not forgetting our chili paste. Oh, the chili paste tastes as good as the fish, or maybe even better. So I hope you like my very simple video today. This is my dinner tonight with my family. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.